Hi everyone, I'm Jerry and was just sent this really cool compact inflator for tires, balls, bicycles, etc. It is a really nice product. This is actually a 4,000 milliamp hour product, which is really great because you can use it not only to air up your tires and other devices, but you can also use the accessories provided to charge your other devices. They do provide you with this cord to charge this device up, or you can simply insert it the other direction and it comes on and shows out, and then just simply plug it in as a battery backup for your devices. And as you can see, it's charging my phone. So that is really great that it's multifunctional. To use this, really simple to do, simply insert this orange piece in here, and this is a really nice cable that's on this. It is built with this overcharge and overcurrent protection in this as far as overheating. They do provide you with a nice warning sticker for that. And then to turn this on, you just simply press and hold the power button. So on it, it has a really nice display. It may be flickering in the camera because it runs an LED screen with a nice hertz on this and it doesn't pair up, but it does have the battery indicator and your tire pressure that you can simply adjust up or down. This will do a maximum of 150 PSI. I'm gonna go ahead and set it for my car at about a 45 PSI on the tire. Then you're gonna simply take this end, plug it into the tire itself, lock it in place, and now you're ready to go. Now this can be used by turning it on. It says currently my tire pressure is 36. It's a little low. It's not that loud, so that part is nice. And it'll go ahead and work until it gets up to the top and then shut itself off. So that's really great, easy connection, nice braided cable. In addition to that, they do provide you with a couple other nice things while traveling. One is a functional light that you can turn on. You probably can't see it in the daytime, but it's got a functional light. And it actually even has a strobe function so that if you're out on the highway and you're needing to put this out to kind of let traffic know that you're coming, you can easily do that. Press and hold to turn it off. They do provide you with all the other accessories to air up mattresses or like soccer balls and bicycles and things like that, which is really nice in here as well. And then they even provide you with a bag to keep it all in the trunk of your car. So you've got everything, all you need. This would work great for anyone's car. You can keep it for yourself or give this as a nice gift.